To cancel Klarna payment, firstly, you need to contact the retailer directly to cancel the order. So once the store confirms the cancellation, then Klarna will automatically process your refund. So that's the standard procedure. So always first thing is you go to contact your retailer first, because Klarna cannot like cancel an order on your behalf. So you need to reach out to the store's customer service directly and follow their specific cancellation return policy and get it cancelled. So once you're done with that, then you can like come back to Klarna app and then like try to like report the cancellation. So what you're going to do is, once you're on your Klarna, so log into your Klarna account, and now here you can go to the payments option here. So click on the payments tab there, and from there you can see, go to all purchases, and here select the purchase that you want to cancel or you have already requested a cancellation. So just click that up, and here you will see that once your payment has already been cancelled, it will reflect here like the purchase is cancelled, or else you will see there's an options here where you can pause the transaction. So you can like turn off um, the payment for this order temporarily. So you will see an option, if it's available for you, it says pause payment or cancel payment, or there will be sometimes it will say be an option called report a problem. So you can just click on that and then mention that you want to cancel these, or you want to like pause that payment, or you can reach out to Klarna's customers team and report, say that your purchase have been cancelled, so just make sure that you want to pause all the payments so that no further payments are being taken. So this is a standard procedure how you can cancel it. First, you need to always reach out to the retailer first.